رواني منصور تملي ما ولو حتى بعيد عني في قلبي هواك تملي ما تملي في بالي وفي قلبي ولا بنساك تملي وحشني لو حتى بنو وياك कहो न कहो ये आंखें बोलती है ओ सनम ओ मेरे सनम मोहब्बत के सफर में तू हमारा है अंधेरे रास्तों का तू सितारा है تملي حبيبي محتاج لك إلي عيني دنداي لك ولو هو لك كل يكون يا حبيبي محتاج لك تهديني का सहारा है मेरी मौजों का किनारा है मेरे लिए ये जहां है तू तुझे मेरे दिल ने पुकारा है
Please join me in congratulating Dr. Khalid Bashir, who is our Physician of the Year.
Pakistanis were very few and far in between, and each and every one of us was a Safir, was an ambassador. People were truly fascinated about us, and then when the adventure in Russia started, we were asked a lot of questions. Since between that time and now, most of my generation is married, and we have children who are now the little Safirs, the little ambassadors of Pakistan. And truly the world belongs to them. And I thank you all again for this honor bestowed on me, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Khalid. Thank you very much.
We would like to recognize our Entrepreneur of the Year, Mr. Ken Singh, to come forward and receive his award. I would like to request Mr. Hamilton Brewer to come forward and accept his Lifetime Achievement of Services to South Asian Community in Humanitarian Services. I'd like to invite Dr. Amanullah Khan to come forward and accept his award.
I want to first of all thank Safir-e-Pakistan for the honor that was bestowed upon me today. He's doing a beautiful job of projecting the Pakistani American community, not only here, but also abroad. Just two lines I want to say here. As the philosopher poet Iqbal from Pakistan said, "Har farda millat ke muqaddar ka sitara." I mean, each individual is the star of the fate of a nation. Let us all strive to be the brightest star on the horizon of our nation, that's America. Borrow a color from your culture, and with a soft brush of harmony and understanding, add another attractive piece to the American mosaic. Thank you very much.
Our next recipient is Arif Zafar Mansouri, who is receiving Entrepreneur and Community Service Award. Tonight, we'd like to recognize an individual for his exceptional performance and the outstanding achievement, success, vision, dedication, and commitment to excellence, not only in his vocation, but also for his outstanding and valuable contribution, generous support of his time and services for the benefits of the community and welfare of the humanity. This individual is our own Pakistani Angelino, who is not only well known in the Pakistani community, but also among many others, including members of various students' organizations, small and large business owners, entrepreneurs, government officials, political figures, and many others who look upon him as a true role model. He's one individual who has selflessly devoted and contributed to every cause and call. He's an individual who does not have the word no in his dictionary when it comes to giving, whether it is supporting a culture show of a Pakistani Student Association, Islamic Center fundraiser appeal, political campaign fundraisers, community activities, Pakistan Day event, you name it, he's always there for everyone with his heart, wallet, checkbook open. He has never turned down anyone who knocked his doors, be it at a late hour of a chilly night. He plays a key role in raising funds for earthquake victims in Pakistan, and himself have contributed generously toward this devastating cause over and over again to as many organizations raising funds for relief efforts. He is one individual who have nothing but friends and well-wishers around the world, and in this town and around the world. He is always adored, respected, and loved by every community member, all his friends, family members, and colleagues. Tonight, Safir-e-Pakistan would like to bestow a special recognition and honor for his outstanding contribution, achievement, and support to humanity, and present a distinguished Safir-e-Pakistan Lifetime Achievement Award to none other than our dearest friend who believe is a true deserver of this award, Mr. Hamid Malik.